Come join us for Fearless and Rooted. It's going to be on July 6th at 10 a.m.
And we're going to be making some yummy banana chocolate chip pancakes.
But it's only for the first session. So come join us. Bye.
That was so cute.
Oh my gosh.
And they're helping me to cook a breakfast brunch for you guys for the first session at Fearless and Rooted. And if you know anything about them, you know that they're amazing bakers, so I wrangled them into the kitchen with me to help me out, and I'm so excited for them to cook for you guys. So come on over, come and join us, come say hi, meet some new faces, and I hope you guys just enjoy yourself because it's going to be an awesome session. So, hope to see you soon. Bye!
Bye!